Okay, welcome everybody. Welcome to this video. This is an unboxing of the Alpinestars SMX Plus V2. So the version 2 of the SMX Plus shoes. Boots, I should say. So yeah, English is my first language, so bear with me for a second and help me out if I say something wrong. So give feedback. So let's dig in. Safety first, so we got not a very sharp but pretty safe scissors. As you can see, I bought this at Tenkate, which you might also know from the WSBK-team. They were away for a couple of months, but they came back with Mr. Loris Bas. And they're doing pretty well actually. So I'm feel like supporting them for a bit with purchases like these. And we're back with the actual Alpinestars box. As you can see, I've got some other stuff from Alpinestars, like the SMX 1R vented shoes, which I had before, and some other accessories. So these are the shoes, the boots. I bought these because I wanted, in comparison with the SMX 1R, more protection, because now I've got some more experience riding motorcycles, and I think protection is important. So yeah, you can see the black, fluo and white part, which goes nicely with the rest of my outfit. So let's see, one of the things I was most interested about is the ankle brace and protection. You know, it shouldn't twist, and as you can see, it's pretty rugged, which is good because when compared with the SMX 1R, of course these don't have any protection at all, so just soft material, which is fine because, you know, that's what they're made for. Otherwise, very nice shoes. So let's see, you got the box and the stickers. I should use them sometime for the laptop perhaps. I don't have the other racing boots I can compare with, so if you've got any specific things you would like to see or compare or take pictures of, in particular, let me know. I'll see what I can do, and I'll try and answer questions you've got. Just looking at the sole, this is compared with the SMX 1R, and yeah, it's a bit different. I think this is a bit more sticky, but that might just be because they're new. Otherwise, you've got the nice heel thing here, and I don't intend to walking on them a lot, because I think if you're going to a town or something, then these might actually be more comfortable because you can just keep them on. And I expect these to be not as nice for that, but I don't know. We'll see. I do like the styling and the very nice protection it's got. Let's see if I can open it up. I've not actually read any manual, so I'll just go with it. Which might be a nice test as well. Yeah, so we got some protection here as well, and the inner shoe, which from what I've read should be you know, stock in comparison with the actual race shoe they've got, the Supertech R's, which were you know, out of budget, and I don't intend to do any racing. I'm using this on a naked bike, and this should go well with it. I hope you can see this on camera, the inner shoe with the inner lace, and that pull tab to tighten the inner lace, basically. It's hard to show the inside. Luckily they've actually sent me the right size shoe. And as you can see, it's the SMX Plus V2s, sorry, not the V1s, which you can probably get with a nice discount nowadays. So yeah, that's it, I think. The inner lace, inner shoe, nice protection, very strong. The multi-link control they've got here, and I really like the Frio. You know, for visibility sakes, and also for styling, really. You can see here on the heel piece that you can, with an Allen key, you can probably replace this part, and I think you can also do it with this part, but oh yeah, there's an Allen key right here, which you might not be able to see very well on video. So yeah, let's do a size comparison. As you can see, it's a lot higher, of course, but this is also exactly where the protection is. So I've never fallen off a motorcycle, and I hope I never do, but you know what they say about falling on a motorcycle. There's those who've fallen and those who are going to fall. And in that case, you know, these weren't cheap, although I bought them with a discount. But yeah, motorcycle driving is dangerous enough as it is, so I hope these help if it ever comes to that. So yeah, that was my main reason for buying these. Not for racing, not for track driving. I don't intend to do those things. Just not my thing. This is the other shoe. Seems pretty identical. Looks nice. Looks very sturdy as well, by the way. Double stitching here. Flexible inner piece here, and you should be able to still make the motorcycle you know, braking and shifting control should still be available easily with these. And I think that's it, really. I think what I can do is, if you've got any questions, I can make a replacement or another video and look into specific things. And so yeah, let me know. Bye.